people, welcome back to my YouTube. It is your girl Honey. Welcome back, welcome back. Those of you who are new here, welcome. Make sure you guys click that like, subscribe, share, and click that notification bell to be the first people to see my video. So in today's topic, we are going to be talking a little bit about synastry and talking a little bit about sun, square, moon. And I find this is really common when it comes to when I'm carrying out my synastry readings for my clients. Let's just kind of figure out which is which and what they actually mean, and then we'll kind of interpret them together. The sun is your soul's purpose, the ego, the expression, your consciousness, your confidence. It represents your father figure. And it's also the inner child within you. But at the end of the day, it's all about expression. Now we've also got the moon. The moon is your emotions, your emotional fulfillment, foundation, home, security, and it represents your needs, the thing that we need to have. Now I've seen this in synastry quite a lot, and usually when we do have sun square someone's moon, there will probably be something else that also squares that person's moon. It could be Mercury, for example, because Mercury is never really too far away from the sun. I always say in synastry, you do not play with the moon. The moon is non-negotiable because this represents what you need as an individual. I've made a whole moon series video. You guys are free to check it out. Think about being the moon person and how hard this is, right? Because the moon represents what you need to have. And you could be someone like a Cancer moon who really embodies quality time, spending time with someone, just sitting down and just talking, having very personal, intimate moments, because that's what makes you feel needed or appreciated. Because again, the moon is, I would say the moon is sort of like your love language in a sense, right? You guys go and check out your love language by typing into Google, what's my love language? And you get a test to do and you get to figure out what your love language is. So I think the love languages are quality time, gifts, words of affirmation. I forgot what the other two are, but there's 5 anyway. The sun is ruled by Leo, and Leo has a bit of a superficial flair about it. It really does. Not in a bad way, more so in a way where it likes to have fun and explore and express. It doesn't like to be sad and depressive and just in a horrible, uncomfortable place. It doesn't like that. When you think about, let's put Aries into play here. So we've got an Aries sun with a Cancer moon, and when they're squaring each other, the sun is struggling to empathize with the moon here because the sun is only seeing the superficial side to things. The sun only sees Cancer or the moon when the moon is in a happy, bubbly, emotional mood like that. Instead of the sun being able to understand the emotions of the moon, it doesn't quite get it. It likes to tell jokes and also play on the emotions of the moon person. So we do see that there can be some manipulation involved, but manipulation in terms of, oh, get over that, that's not that deep, let's have fun, let's do this, let's do that. Like, it doesn't like to deal with the darkness of the moon, and that can be difficult in a relationship. I know that there are going to be people in the comments that will say, yeah, but
I've been with my partner for like 15 years and 20 years and we've got 50 kids and we've got this.
I'm not talking about you. You can have an amazing synastry chart, amazing chart together, amazing, but what if you've got this square and whoever the moon person is just feeling like, I'm not getting what I want, and the sun person feels like like they're always in some different mood, they're just moody. That gets annoying. I won't say this is a terrible placement to have in synastry, but it is very, very common. When you have sun to moon trine, sun to moon conjunctions, sextile's okay, it's not terrible or amazing, but it's better than having the sun square. Okay people, if you guys have any other suggestions, I'm going to be doing a lot more synastry videos because you guys have requested it in my Instagram stories. Please comment that below. All right, take care people, bye.